Hi guys, so we are on the way to the Calamansian. Here I am with my outfit. Charot. Alam nyo naman, bawal tayong mainitan, kaya let's use my sunblock, my favorite, Glow Labs Sun Shield. May niacinamide po ito at saka hyaluronic acid. O, diba? Social.
Halika dito. Ako po ay lumaki sa probinsya. Ito pong kasama ko na mahilig din sa animals. Laking city. Ano sabi mo?
City boy.
No. Makati daw yung grass.
That's yung grass.
Sino ba kasi na nagsabi? Pupunta tayong farm, naka-shorts.
So hot.
Okay, let's go baby.
So mag-umbrella pa tayo. Okay.
Whee! Ako kami.
Ang buo.
Ano na? Nakita ko maganda.
Ano yung nakaplikit ano? One? Pink?
Hindi bagay. Sa farm kayo kasi.
May suka.
Alam niyo po ano to? Aratilis.
Maasog na.
Oh, kumain ka. First time niya mag-aratilis, guys.
Hugasan mo ba ito?
Hindi mo kailangan hugasan. Ano ba? I picked it from the tree.
Lord.
Huh?
Lord.
How do you find it? It's a miracle fruit, you know that, right? Apparently it cures a lot of things.
Here's what?
Diabetes or something?
Loneliness?
Loneliness. Oh, when I was a lonely kid, I only had my aratilis tree right in front of my house.
Effective?
Oh, until my lolo cut it.
Hindi mo effective sa akin.
Effective sa'yo.
Kahit may electric fan ako napaka-arte.
Hindi naman sa'yo yan eh. Ba't mo pa ba ako kailangang siraan?
Sumain. Okay.
At sarap kaya?
I work hard for this.
Oo.
Huh?
Work hard for.
For you. Yeah. Oh, for Jeff.
Oh, yun ang sukli mo.
Everything clean. Yeah.
Sukli mo. Calamansi farm po ito ni Tito, dad ni Kurt. This is my second time here. I love it here. Because mahangin kahit mainit. Pero yun nga, if you start picking the calamansis, it's extremely hot. So, saludos to our farmers. Grabe ang init, but you make it work. And that's it for today. I am done. I am tired. Nag-change up ako ng shirt and I'm gonna stay indoors. Bawal po kasi sa amin yung sobrang under the prime heat. Kasi transplant life. Hindi pwede ang Magina Jackson.